Bombay Karachi Halwa. So let's start. This is the list of ingredients you will need for the Bombay Karachi Halwa. So we need 1 cup of water, 1 cup of corn flour, 2 cups of sugar, powdered dry fruits. I have taken pistachio, almond and cashew nut. Again chopped dry fruits for the garnish. Food color 1 teaspoon, 4 tablespoons of butter, 2 tablespoons of pure ghee, elaichi powder, that's the cardamom powder, 1 teaspoon, and 1 teaspoon lemon juice. So let's start. First we need to dissolve the corn flour. In 4 cup of water we will dissolve 1 cup of corn flour and mix it well. There should be no lumps. So after mixing well, here we can see the liquid mixture of water and corn flour. There should be no lumps. Further, in a pan, we will take 2 cups of sugar, add 1 cup of water for preparing the sugar syrup. Give it a mix and let it boil. When it starts to boil, it indicates the sugar has dissolved. Here we can see the sugar has almost completely dissolved. Yes, the sugar has dissolved. Now again we will give a mix to our mixture as the corn flour settles down in the water, and we will add it to the sugar syrup. As we add this mixture, we will keep on mixing it continuously. As a corn flour is used for thickening agent, the mixture will start to thicken. We will mix it because there should be no lumps. Now we will add 1 teaspoon of lemon juice and again keep on mixing it. As you can see, you have to follow the same process. Approx 2 to 5 minutes later, the mixture starts to thicken. As you can see in the video, यहाँ पे mixture thick हो रहा है. It's all due to corn flour, which is the thickening agent and the main ingredient of the halwa. After mixing it continuously, the consistency will be like this. To this we will add 2 tablespoons of pure ghee and again mix well till the ghee absorbs. Now we will add butter, 2 tablespoons, and keep on mixing till the butter absorbs. As my butter is little bit hard one, I am first using the mixer to mix it. You have to mix it continuously. For the glossy texture of the halwa as we get in the market, you have to follow the same process. You can see the glossiness of the mixture. It's all because of ghee and butter. It has a lots of calories, but yes, at some times and festival season, it's good to have such delicious sweet. You have to mix this for 20 minutes. Continuous mixing. And after 20 minutes, our mixture will look like this. This has thickened more, little bit of color change. We have to cook this mixture on a low flame. If you keep on high flame, it can burn from down, and I prefer to use a non-stick pan. Again, now we will add 2 tablespoons of butter over here for the softness of the halwa, and mix it continuously. You can now also add 2 tablespoons of ghee instead of butter, but I am using butter. When you add 2 tablespoons of butter now, you can see a little bit of color change. Little bit of yellowish. Keep on mixing and you get a nice shiny mixture. Here you can see the shine on the spatula. You get a nice shiny mixture. Our mixture has thickened more. Now at this stage we will add the elaichi powder, that is the cardamom powder. 1 teaspoon of cardamom powder. It gives a nice taste and aroma to the halwa. Over here now we will add food color. I am using a green color, but you can use your liking color. As in market you get in vivid colors, that is yellow, orange, red, whichever you like you can use. मेरे पास green color available था, I am using the green color. And mix well till the color dissolves. You also get liquid colors. I had powder color, so I have dissolved a little bit of color in 1 teaspoon of water. And keep on mixing well. You can see our mixture is turning glossy. Green color भी बहुत उभर के दिख रहा है उसमें. This stage we will add the dry fruit powder. You want, you can also add full dry fruits to it. In market when you purchase, many of the times you also find full dry fruits. It gives a nice crunchy taste in the soft halwa. Keep on mixing on a low flame. मीडियम से अभी लो फ्लेम करना है, बिकॉज हमारा प्रोसेस अभी एंडिंग पे है. एट दिस स्टेज फाइनली वी विल ऐड 1 teaspoon of ghee for the last finishing and silkiness of the halwa. After 10 minutes we can see our mixture is perfect. Halwa is perfect and ready to get set in a mold. यहाँ पे आप देख सकते हैं the halwa leaves the pan easily. That means the consistency is perfect. Here I have taken a mold. प्योर घी से उसे ग्रीस करके लिया है. We'll pour the halwa mixture to it. For garnish we will add chopped nuts, that is almond, cashew nut, pistachino. You can also add powder nuts. For 30 minutes we will keep it rest, not in the freeze but outside, and after 30 minutes this is the halwa. You can see it is easily leaving the mold. So it's done perfectly. Now let's demold it. So here we have demolded it and our halwa has come out very nicely. Market style halwa, Bombay Karachi halwa. See the sponginess, silkiness, softness. You will love it. So surely try it. Hi friends. So as you all know, festival seasons are near. Don't forget to try out with this tasty, delicious Bombay Karachi Halwa recipe and let me know your reviews. I'm waiting for your reviews, and with that Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe the Home Chef Kitchen on Facebook, Instagram, and YouTube. And yes, stay tuned because new beginnings coming soon. Thank you.